welcome to our video here. Today mommy makes pancakes and they have this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Nigerian fluffy pancake recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So these are the things I'm going to be using for my Nigerian pancake: self-raising flour, milk, sugar, salt, baking powder, eggs, and vanilla extract as my flavor. You can use cinnamon or nutmeg or any other thing you feel like using to spice it up. So I'll start by mixing everything in this bowl. So I'm gonna be mixing everything in this bowl. I'll start with the milk. I have in here 200 mils of milk, tablespoons of sugar, the 2 eggs. I'm gonna put the 2 eggs as well inside the mixture. I'm gonna mix everything together with the whisk. I'll mix it until I feel like the sugar has been completely dissolved and also the egg and the milk and everything has mixed really well together. The next thing I'll be adding is this 1 cup like this of the vanilla extract, of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to whisk it one more time. Then I'll start adding the flour to the mixture until it forms like a paste. Adding the flour to the mixture and whisking it. I'm going to mix it really well until there is no lumps or anything in there. Okay guys, so this is what my pancake mixture is looking like right now. So I'm going to move on to frying it. Like I said, I made sure I whip it so that there is no lump or anything in there and it's really fluffy. And the consistency of it, as you can see, is not thick and it's not liquidy. So this is the consistency I usually go for. If you want it lighter, if you want your pancake to be lighter, not as fluffy as I always love mine, you can reduce the flour you put in there, make it more watery. And if you want it to be thicker, you can increase the flour in there and make it thicker. It depends on however you want your pancake. So this is the consistency I usually go for. Now I'm going to move on to frying it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna move into frying the pancake now. To fry the pancake, you can either use butter, oil, or olive oil, any form of oil you use. But I love using oil because I noticed that when I use butter, it gets burnt really easily. So I'm gonna reduce the temperature of my cooker so that it doesn't cook really fast, and I'm using just a teeny bit of the oil, just like grease the pan before I add the flour in there. This oil is too much. I'm going to pour the excess oil out. So like I said, this oil is too much. Okay, so I've poured out the excess oil and the pan is really hot. So I'm going to pour in as much of the pancake I need. I won't make it too small so that it's not too flat, and I won't make it too much so that it's not too thick. I'll do it like a medium, as much as I wanted to. This is how much I usually pour at a time. Then I'm going to leave it to cook for a few seconds before I turn it over. Adding a little bit of oil to the sides of the pan so that it doesn't get burnt really easily. I use this spoon to do that. I'm going to check it now because I'm always very careful so that it doesn't get burnt. So as you can see, I've flipped it over and it's cooking. Then I'm going to take it out and move on to the next one. Guys, so these are the pancakes once I'm done. I usually get 4 pancakes in all from that mixture, and this is syrup, my favorite or our favorite thing to use to eat it.
Pancake.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me nice comments in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. Bye, guys.
Mommy make pancake, and this is